Want to see technology and art collide in the coolest way? Samsung Canada has just launched Reframe, an innovative 3D art installation in partnership with Canadian artist Nicolas Abtan. Running from October 5th to 20th at the Well in Toronto, this exhibit blends cutting-edge technology with stunning contemporary art. The highlight? Samsung's The Frame TV. This isn't just any TV. The Frame transforms any space into a gallery, showcasing art in lifelike clarity with its 4K QLED technology and Pantone-validated colors. Visitors can meet Nicolas Abtan and watch his dynamic 3D creations come alive on The Frame. And there's more. You could win a 55 The Frame TV and one of Abtan's 3D art pieces. This collaboration is not only supporting Toronto's local art scene, but also redefining how we experience art through technology. Don't miss out. Head to the Well and dive into this unique fusion of art and tech. Winners will be announced on Samsung Canada's social media on October 22nd. Stay tuned.